Sit comfortably. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands gently over your heart. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And exhale, letting go of any heaviness. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, the space of love, compassion, and connection. Your heart chakra, Anahata. Breathe into this space. With each inhale, feel your heart expand. With each exhale, feel it soften and open. When this chakra is blocked, you may feel closed off or disconnected. When balanced, you feel love, kindness, and deep inner peace. Now place your hands on your knees, palms facing upwards. A gesture of openness and receptivity. Visualize a soft, glowing green light at your heart center. Warm and healing, like sunlight filtering through leaves. With every inhale, this light grows brighter. With every exhale, it dissolves pain and past wounds. Let its warmth flow through you, opening your heart to love, forgiveness, and harmony. Silently affirm, I am love. I forgive and let go. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. Let these words settle within you. Feel them filling you with peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow this energy to radiate outward. Calm, open, connected. Sit in this space for a moment, embracing the love within you. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back. and open your eyes. You are loved. You are open. You are whole. Om Shanti.